Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Gutlon and I'm your New York City tour guide. Today's stop is the Algonquin Hotel. This building was originally planned to be residential, but found that short-term guests were more profitable. This is the oldest hotel in New York City since it has stood here for almost 115 years and is still a gathering place for many city celebrities. Originally, in 1902, the owner named the hotel the Puritan, but when Frank Case took over the lease in 1907, he quickly renamed the hotel to the Algonquin. The tradition of the Algonquin cat dates back to the early 1920s. First, there was Billy, then Rusty, and now many cats later, we have Hamlet the Eighth right here. The Theater District, important publishing houses, and the New York Public Library, all located within a few blocks from here, stimulated Case's affinity for actors, directors, and writers, with whom he easily became friends with. And today, the hotel still maintains its literary and celebrity reputation. Perhaps the most famous piece of history of the Algonquin Hotel is the Round Table. In 1919, a group of 30 writers, editors, publicists, and actors met for lunch in the pergola room for a roast on New York Times critic Alexander Wolcott. They had so much fun that they decided to meet at the hotel for lunch on a daily basis, and that lasted for 10 years. And the original group came to be known as the Vicious Circle. In a poker game against the other members of the Round Table, Harold Ross won a ton of money, which he used to start the New Yorker. The price of staying in the hotel has significantly increased over the years, from about $2 to now about $400. But if you're an author on tour, you can get a free night in exchange for a signed copy of your book. And don't forget to join me tomorrow for more famous hotels.